Hello. See this? Meni anta ko na hoy.
There is a local 4 train to Woodlawn, 4 minutes away.
Attention passengers, the elevators at 161st Street Yankee Stadium have been removed from service until December 2025 for replacement. As an alternative for elevator service, take the train to 170th Street and transfer to local bus service to 161st Street Yankee Stadium. For more details and travel information,
Attention passengers, 4 trains are not running between Brooklyn Bridge City Hall and Nuance Avenue in either direction. 5 trains are not running between Grand Central, 42nd Street and Bowling Green in either direction because of track maintenance. As an alternative service between Brooklyn and Manhattan, take the 2, 3,
Trains enter and leave the station.
Ngamula ng dakikani so na recorded. Ahari ni ulit. Wait. Ahari ni. Yo ba? Kaya kang ngay.
Makasirek kamera.
Yo.
Iwa sayanda mo.
Inta kam na sarong camera.
Igat mo mo.
Daka nung.
This is a Woodlawn bound 4 train. The next stop is Burnside Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Nanda kami ni. Yo.
Trains are not running between Grand Central, 42nd Street Nocturnal service between Brooklyn and Manassas. Take the 2, 3, and attention passengers. 4 trains are running between Brooklyn Bridge City Hall and Lawrence Avenue in the direction.
Hoy yang kena ciloga.
Ay!
Wala ka din niya. Wala ka.
Nga tulong me.
Kadang ay lagi turun ko.
Ha?
Kadang ay lagi turun ko putin.
Onda ba?
Onda ka?
Ano pa?
Ella viene. Está yendo el timing ahora.
I don't know. She said something about the team. She said something about that team. Okay, so when the gets over, let me know who wait. Okay, love you too.
Onda way.
Agora eu te serão para dar um